Hi, today we are going to learn about solving quadratics by graphing. Let's look at a problem. Solve by graphing x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Let me take this equation as y is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6 for graphing it. I'll create a t-chart and assume the values for x. I'll assume my x values as -5, -4, -3, -5/2, -2, -1, 0. Let's find the y value at x equal to -5. So when x is equal to -5, my y will equal -5 squared plus 5 times -5 plus 6. -5 squared is 25. 5 times -5 is -25 plus 6. 0 plus 6, just 6. So at -5, the y value comes out to be 6. Similarly, we can find the other y values, and at -4 we'll get 2. At -3 we get 0. At -5 over 2 we get -1/4. At -2 we get 0. At -1 we get 2, and at 0 we get 6 again. So we can see that this becomes the vertex point. Since quadratic graph is symmetrical about the axis passing through the vertex, and you can see around this the values are repeating itself, that is, they are symmetrical. So let us graph this. -5, 6. -4, 2. -3, 0. -5/2, -1/4. -5/2 will be in between 2 and 3, -2 and -3. Here I can say -2, 0, -1, 2, and 0, 6. So we can join these points in order to form the quadratic graph. So this is the graph of y is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. Now look at the points at which this graph is intersecting the x-axis. This point and this point. Means the points at which the y value is 0, those points are -2 and -3. So the solutions for x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 will be given by x is equal to either -2 or -3, which is the answer in the A part. Next problem. Solve by graphing -x square minus 3x is equal to 0. Let me take y as -x square, -3x. Create a t-chart, x, y. I'll assume my x values as -4, -3, -2, -3/2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Let us find our value of y at x is equal to -4. At x is equal to -4, y will be minus of minus 4 squared minus 3 times minus 4 minus negative 4 squared 16 plus 12. Minus minus becomes plus. Minus 16 plus 12 becomes negative 4. So at negative 4 the value is negative 4. Similarly we can find the other values, and at negative 3 I'll get 0. At negative 2 I get 2. At negative 3 by 2 I get 9 over 4. At negative 1 I get 2. At 0 I get 0. At 1 I get negative 4. And at 2 I get negative 10. So the vertex becomes negative 3 by 2 comma 9 by 4, since values are symmetrical around that point. So negative 4 comma negative 4. Here negative 3 0. Negative 2 comma 2. Negative 3 over 2 9 by 4. It will lie somewhere here. Negative 1 comma 2 0 0 1 negative 4 2 negative 10. So here we can increase one more point since it will be symmetrical, so the value at negative 5 will also be negative 10. So let us join. So this is the graph for y is equal to minus x square minus 3x, and this graph is intersecting the x-axis at this point and this point, which is 0 0 and negative 3 0. So x is equal to 0 and negative 3 become the solution, which is the answer in the B part. Next problem. Solve by graphing. Negative x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So let's take y is equal to minus x square plus 3x minus 2. T-chart xy. Let me take the values. I'll take x values as negative 1, 0, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 3, 4. So let us solve the value at negative 1, x equal to negative 1. At x is equal to negative 1, my y will be minus of minus 1 squared plus 3 times minus 1 minus 2, which is minus negative 1 squared is 1. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 minus 2, which is negative 6. So at negative 1 we get negative 6. Similarly at 0 we will get negative 2. At 1 we will get 0. At 3 by 2 we will get 1 by 4. At 2 we will get 0. At 3 we will get negative 2. And at 4 we will get negative 6. So I have negative 1 comma negative 6, 0 minus 2, 1 0, 3 by 2 1 by 4, 2 0, 3 minus 2 and 4 comma negative 6. So join these points together. So this is the graph for minus x square plus 3x minus 2 y is equal to minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Now for the solutions, y is 0 at these points, which is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So we have x is equal to 1 and 2 as the solutions, which is the answer in the B part. I hope you can practice more problems on solving quadratics by graphing now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.